Karma, the invisible force that shapes your life. Have you ever wondered why things happen the way they do? Why some people seem to live in harmony, while others face storm after storm? Is it luck? Is it fate? Or is there something deeper, hidden beneath the surface of reality? What if every moment in your life was part of an intricate design, woven by your own thoughts, words, and actions? This is not magic, this is karma. Karma isn't just a mystical idea passed down through ancient scriptures. It is the unseen law that governs everything, from the smallest emotion to the grandest events in your life. It is the echo of your energy coming back to you like a wave returning to the shore. Every thought you think, every word you speak, every action you take, it all matters. It all comes back. You are not a victim of chance. You are the architect of your reality. Karma is not punishment. It's not reward. It's not some divine judgment handed down by gods. It's simply balance. The universe reflecting your energy with perfect precision. You see, when you act with love, you create waves of peace. When you move with anger, you stir storms. The energy you release is the energy that finds its way back to you. Your life is not happening to you. It's responding to you. And no, you are not trapped by your past. Karma is not fate carved in stone. You can change your energy. You can rewrite your story, right here, right now. Every breath is a new beginning. Every choice is a chance to shift the flow. You are not powerless. You are the source. Science understands this too. Just as Newton's third law says, for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. The universe doesn't punish. It responds. It reflects. It mirrors. So be aware of what you create. Speak with kindness. Think with clarity. Act with intention. Because karma is not later. Karma is now. In the way people treat you. In the things you attract. In the life you're living today. So in the end, karma is not about fear. It's not about guilt. It's about awareness. It's about remembering that everything you touch, feel, and give returns to you. You are not here to be perfect. You're here to be conscious, to live with purpose, to shape your energy, and in doing so, shape the universe itself. Because karma doesn't wait for the next life. It moves with you, now. In every breath, every heartbeat, every decision. You don't need to fear what's coming. You only need to choose what you're creating. Choose love. Choose truth. Choose light. And the universe will answer. Not with miracles from above, but with reflections of your own soul, shining right back at you. This is karma. A sacred mirror, a silent force, and the most powerful reminder that you are never separate from what you create. So ask yourself, not, what will happen to me? But instead, what energy am I sending out today? Because that is your future.